Hello, my name is Rain. I come from planet Bristow. I am looking for Princess Sophie, Brooklyn, Sagari and Ethan.
Welcome to Planet Earth Rain. My name is Megan and I am here to take you to Princess Sophie. But first you have to disguise yourself as a human so they cannot recognize you.
What should I disguise myself as?
You could disguise yourself as a boy and then go to Quint Modoc School to find the princess. I am told that that is where she will be.
Alright, Megan. I will do just that. But aren't you coming with me as well?
Absolutely, Rain. You just watch.